In this video, we're going to talk about the operators in JavaScript. So we're going to start with the basic ones first, which is the arithmetic operators. First up is the plus sign. So you should already know how to use that. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next up, subtract. 3 minus 1, 2. Multiplication, 3 times 3, 9. And then finally, division. 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. So that's arithmetic. Let's go ahead and clear this. Next is the assignment operator, which is just the equal sign. So you can use that for variables. So like let name equals whatever, right? And then next you have the loose equality. That's the double equal sign. And what this means is that if you have two comparisons, like 2 equals and a string 2, it's going to evaluate to true because JavaScript will convert one of these values to a primitive and make them the same. Next is the strict equality operator, which means that JavaScript will check that the values are the same as well as the type. So in the previous example, using the strict equality operator, number 2 equals string 2 would return false, right? Whereas 2 equals 2 would return true. The next operators are pretty common as well, the increment and decrement operators. So let's say we had a variable index and it's set to 0. To increment it by 1, you might say, well, let's do index equals index plus 1. But another way to do it is just to use the increment operator. So you could say index plus plus, and that will increment it by 1. So if we console log it, you're going to see it's incremented by 1. And same thing with the decrement operator. You could say index minus minus, and if we log it again, it's going to be 0. And if we do it again, index minus minus, it's going to be minus 1, right?